Hello peeps, I am Sonia. Welcome to the third video of Python series. In this video, we will talk about numbers and text. Without further delay, let's dive into it. Before starting numbers, I want to tell you, in Python, plus and minus operators do the same work as in maths, whereas for multiplication, star is used, for division, forward slash is used, and for remainder, percentage sign is used. Integer data type allow variables to store whole numbers. BODMAS. Python also follows this rule to solve equations. Now BODMAS ordering system is just 6 letters that represent different mathematical operations. ये हमें ऑपरेटर की प्रायोरिटी बताता है मतलब जो ऊपर है वो इक्वेशन में पहले सॉल्व होगा. B bracket whatever you will put inside bracket will be executed first. O order refers to raising any number to the power of something. D division. M multiplication. A addition. S subtraction. String data type allow variable to store a sentence. So how do we create string in Python? It is very easy to create. All we need to do is write our text in double quotes or single quote. It totally depends on user's choice. Let's save a string called text and set it equal to Sonia said to me, I will see you later. We can see here a string, then something broke here and string hasn't continued. As you can see, the color changed. This is what we call a broken string, and we can see that the string isn't a green anymore. This is because we close off the string by using second set of double quotes. The way we can fix this is instead of open double quotes, we can replace it by single quotes. That's really useful. Let's see it with the paragraph. For paragraph, I have taken the famous mercy speech of Portia from the play Merchant of Venice. You can see, even after putting double quotes, color change नहीं हो, like string kind of break हो गई है after the first line. So how can we fix all of this into just one variable? Use triple quotes, that is 3 sets of double quotes or single quotes like this. Or you can go for single quotes also. Let's make our first official project of this course. In this project, we will make a computer program that will ask you few questions about yourself and use the information to write a sentence all about user. Let's start with writing a plan for your code, which will make programming much easier. Write this plan using comments. To write comments in Python, we use hash symbol. आपको आइडिया हो गया होगा हम यहाँ क्या करने वाले हैं. फर्स्ट थिंग वी विल डू इज आस्क यूजर देयर नेम. द वे वी वुड डू दिस इज वी वुड टाइप इनपुट एंड देन द क्वेश्चन जो कि स्क्रीन पर फ्लैश होगा. We are using variable here because we want to save the data so that we can use it later. Let's check it out by printing the statement. Print name. Now let's run it. Name Achal. Cool, isn't it? So here is a challenge. I want you कि आप एज, सिटी एंड हॉबी के लिए कोड खुद लिखें. Now pause this video and go ahead. So, क्या आप कर पाए? Here is how I have done this. Let's run this. Name Achal. Age 18. Live Noida. Enjoy reading. Cool, isn't it? क्या आप कर पाए? Let me know in comment section. Type age string. आपको लगा होगा integer आएगा, but it is not. It is something to keep in mind. So before continuing, let's see some cool concepts. Let me show you हम दो strings को साथ में कैसे stick कर सकते हैं. Let's say A is Python, B is programming. हम दो strings को साथ में stick कैसे कर सकते हैं? By using add operator. That is plus symbol is actually used to add two pieces of compatible data like this: A plus B. See, sticking two strings together is also called string concatenation. We can even multiply the strings with numbers like this: A into 3. See, वो पाइथन 3 बार रिपीट हो गया, पाइथन पाइथन पाइथन. Another concept, if we add number with a string, that is if we add A plus 2, तो वो एरर शो होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि एक्चुअल में A एक स्ट्रिंग है और 2 एक इंटीजर है. अगर हमें इन दोनों को ऐड करना है तो हमें टाइप कास्टिंग करनी पड़ेगी. ये एक नया फंक्शन है. टाइप कास्टिंग मतलब किसी भी वेरिएबल का डेटा टाइप चेंज करना. वी कैन डू इट लाइक दिस: A प्लस str2. सी, अब हो गया क्योंकि अब हमने 2 जो कि इंटीजर था हमने उसका डेटा टाइप स्ट्रिंग में चेंज कर दिया है. गाइज, आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही. आगे आने वाली वीडियो में हम बाकी के कॉन्सेप्ट सीखेंगे एंड इस प्रोजेक्ट को कंप्लीट करेंगे. थैंक यू. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल गीक विजार्ड.